Hello children, today we will learn about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay, now this is a very interesting topic. We all know what are rational numbers, right? Now, rational numbers are real numbers, okay, which can be represented in the form of P upon Q, where both P and Q are integers and P and Q are co-prime, and lastly Q is not equal to 0. So this becomes the qualifying definition to be called as a rational number. Any number that doesn't qualify the criteria of a rational number is called an irrational number. Got it, guys? Okay, let us take a few examples. Okay, the first example that comes to our mind is a square roots of non-perfect square numbers. Non-perfect square numbers, what does it mean? We have perfect square numbers like 4, 9, 16, 25. Before this we have 1, right, and so on and so forth. These are all perfect square numbers. But what about numbers which are between these, right? Numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, so on and so forth. These numbers are not perfect square numbers. Therefore, the square root of these numbers, like square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 7, square root of 11, so on and so forth, these are all known as irrational numbers. Okay, now what's the difference? The decimal expansion of an irrational number, behaves quite differently, right? So the first thing is, the decimal expansion of an irrational number doesn't terminate. What does it mean? It means, for example, 0.35711206. So it doesn't terminate anywhere, right? It's not like 0.25, which is terminating. 0.25 is basically 1/4, right? It's a rational number. But what about this? This doesn't terminate, right? This doesn't terminate. Now, second property is that the numbers post the decimal are non-recurring. Now, what does non-recurring mean, guys? Okay, let me take an example here. Now, the first example could be 0.3333, right? This is a non-terminating number, which is basically 1/3, right? It's a rational number whose fraction is 1/3. Now, this is non-terminating because the 3 continues infinitely, right? This is non-terminating and non-recurring. Sorry, it's recurring. But an irrational number would be non-terminating, non-recurring. So these are two properties which you need to understand. They do not terminate and they do not recur. The decimal numbers post the numbers post a decimal do not recur. Okay, for example, 22/7, right? This is called as pi in mathematics, and the decimal expansion for this is 3.1428, and it doesn't stop anywhere, and the numbers also do not repeat post the decimal. Therefore this is a perfect example of a irrational number. Other one could be a square root of 2, right? What is square root of 2? Is 1.4123, so on and so forth. It doesn't terminate, and the numbers post a decimal are not recurring. So this is a basic difference between a rational number and irrational numbers, guys. Thank you.